Hey guys, today you're checking out stock number 301764, and this is a 2023 Buick Encore GX ST. And our color, sterling metallic. Let's take a look inside at some of our interior features that we've got. All right, so we have a power hatch, windows, mirrors, and locks. Power driver's seat with lumbar support. We've got our interior and exterior lighting control. The HUD with HUD settings. Steering wheel features forward collision alert, cruise control settings, hands-free, and stereo remote controls. We are satellite radio ready. Electronic and dual climate control with heated front seats. Got USB ports. Our auto start stop, all-wheel drive, lane keep assist, and traction control. Automatic transmission, parking brake. We're also OnStar ready, and we've got our sunroof controls. And our interior color is tan and black. Moving on to our rear passenger features, we've got power windows, a full bench seat with a 60/40 back, just in case you need some more room. And onto our exterior. Got our roof rack, 18-inch Buick rims. Got the rear parking aid, a rear view camera, remote hatch, an interior cargo cover, and all our cargo space. And there you have it, guys. That's stock number 301764. You've just checked out the sterling metallic 2023 Buick Encore GX ST. Thanks for watching.